Welcome. Like many of us, I grew up with the notion that more was better. Buying more and doing more. More! When I discovered minimalism, it was basically like everything was turned on its head. Less is more. Buying less would make me more happy. I was just like, what? I was definitely very skeptical, but after being home in quarantine and having to be stuck with my crap while being anxious and stressed out, that was when I really decided to dive deep into minimalism. And I was very surprised to see the impact it had on my life. Because decluttering is one of the cornerstones of living a more minimal lifestyle, I have found that I feel immense gratification living in a space with clear surfaces and just a few accents. I just love that shit. I love less stuff because when I found that when there is a lot of things, I used to have a lot of things. I used to have things everywhere, all right? And I realized it really overwhelmed me. And sometimes I wouldn't even know where to start with cleaning and keeping my space clean because there was just so much stuff, so I just let it keep on piling up. I have noticed when I have less stuff, it feels like, well, first it's easier to clean, and it's also, I feel more free.
I'm alive! I'm alive! Free yourselves! It's beautiful!
During quarantine, because I was buying things that I either needed or had thought about for a very long time, I never felt guilty after I bought them. I always felt very satisfied and accomplished. However, there have definitely been many times in my life because I love shopping. I love shopping.
The rush you feel when you swipe your card and it's approved and it all belongs to you.
Okay, Rebecca, thank you for sharing.
The joy you feel when you've bought something and it's just you and the shopping.
You in shopping.
All you have to do is hand over a little card.
Join together.
I don't think there's anything wrong with loving shopping. I do think, though, there is a line, and that line can sometimes get easily blurred because there's been many times when I have bought things that I did not need, that I bought very much in the moment, and I felt so guilty afterwards, and I felt angry at myself for buying it because I knew that money could have gone to that other thing that I really, really needed. Minimalism really heightened my awareness to how I felt in relation to my purchases, and I realized that whenever I bought something that I saved up money for and I had been wanting for a long time, or just something practical but perhaps like not very sexy, like a new toothbrush, I just felt so much better. Like I didn't feel guilty that I was spending money because it was going towards things that I knew that I really, really wanted or just truly, truly used on a day-to-day basis. A lot about minimalism is embracing quality over quantity, not just in the things we buy, but also the things we do. That's a big reason why I post a video only once a week, because despite the fact that the YouTube algorithm really rewards people and creators who push out as much content as possible, however, my quality of life would be very, very low because I am trying to push out so much content, I would be miserable. I'm not saying it can't be done, I'm saying I can't do it. And just like spending money on things that I truly, truly wanted, but was kind of afraid because of the price tag, but I knew I wanted them. I knew I wanted them, and I saved up and I got them. It feels so much more gratifying. I mean, there are some things that are cheap and they're nice, but there are also things that, like the expensive one, no doubtably is the better one. You know what I mean? Like, I would just rather have that one nice thing. I don't need the 10 mediocre things. Let me get that one really amazing thing. I feel as if I have shifted from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. Gratitude is a vibration of abundance because I am much more particular about the things that I have in my life and who I have in my life. I am much more grateful for them. It's very hard to feel grateful when you're constantly trying to move on to the next thing and constantly buying things. You don't have time to really appreciate what you have. When you practice gratitude, you learn how to feel contentment. This is by far one of the most beautiful feelings.
I've often said that I wished people could realize all their dreams and wealth and fame, and so that they could see that it's not where you're going to find your sense of completion.
Although I don't think I will ever be the type of minimalist that has one of everything, I do very much enjoy the practices of a more minimalistic lifestyle. I definitely feel much more calm and at peace with my life, as if I feel more aligned with my path. And I have also learned along the way, like, the things I really, really love. It's such an interesting lifestyle because it just teaches you so much about what you do value in your life, and who you value, and what you value spending your time on and your money on. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you. Bye.